Pani Puri, also known as Golgappa or Puchka, is a popular Indian street food snack. It consists of crispy puris filled with a mixture of flavored water, tamarind chutney, and spiced mashed potatoes. Here's a recipe to make Pani Puri at home. Ingredients. For the puris: 1 cup semolina, rava/sooji. 2. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, maida. 3. Water, as needed. 4. Salt, to taste. 5. Oil, for deep frying. For the filling: 1. 2 medium-sized potatoes, boiled and mashed. 2. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 3. ½ teaspoon roasted cumin powder. 4. ½ teaspoon red chili powder, optional. 5. Salt, to taste. For the pani, flavored water: 1 cup mint leaves. 2. ½ cup coriander leaves. 3. 1 green chili, chopped. 4. 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled. 5. 1 tablespoon tamarind paste. 6. 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. 7. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 8. ½ teaspoon black salt. 9. Salt, to taste. 10. 3 cups water. For the tamarind chutney: 1/2 cup tamarind pulp. 2. ½ cup jaggery or brown sugar. 3. 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. 4. ½ teaspoon red chili powder. 5. Salt, to taste. 6. Water, as needed. For serving: 1. Finely chopped onions. 2. Finely chopped coriander leaves. 3. Sev, crispy chickpea flour noodles. Instructions. Puris: 1. In a mixing bowl, combine semolina, all-purpose flour, salt, and enough water to make a stiff dough. 2. Knead the dough well for a few minutes until it becomes smooth and pliable. 3. Divide the dough into small portions and roll them into small circles, around 2 to 3 inches in diameter. 4. Heat oil in a deep pan, or kadhai over medium heat. 5. Carefully slide the puris into the hot oil and fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. 6. Remove the puris from the oil using a slotted spoon and place them on a paper towel to drain excess oil. 6. Set aside. Filling: 1. In a bowl, mix the mashed potatoes with chaat masala, roasted cumin powder, red chili powder, optional, and salt. 2. Adjust the spices according to your taste. 2. Set aside. Pani, flavored water: 1. In a blender, combine mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chili, ginger, tamarind paste, roasted cumin powder, chaat masala, black salt, regular salt, and water. 2. Blend everything together until you get a smooth mixture. 3. Pour the mixture into a large bowl and add more water if necessary. 4. Adjust the spices and flavors according to your preference. 4. Set aside. Tamarind chutney: 1. In a small saucepan, combine tamarind pulp, jaggery or brown sugar, roasted cumin powder, red chili powder, salt, and water. 2. Cook the mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until the jaggery or sugar dissolves completely. 3. Simmer the chutney for a few minutes until it thickens slightly. 4. Remove from heat and allow it to cool. 4. Set aside. Assembling. 1. Take a puri and make a small hole on the top using your thumb or a spoon. 2. Stuff the puri with a small amount of the potato filling. 3. Add a few drops of tamarind chutney into the puri. 4. Dip the filled puri into the bowl of flavored water, pani, and place it on a serving plate. 5. Garnish with finely chopped onions, coriander leaves, and sev. 6. Repeat the process with the remaining puris. Your homemade Pani Puri is ready to be served. Enjoy the burst of flavors in each bite. Remember to adjust the spices and flavors according to your taste preferences.